Hello, how are you?
In a world of colors, oh so bright, let's sing a song with all our might. Red, yellow, green and blue, colors that make us feel brand new. Orange like the shining sun, spreading warmth to everyone. Purple like a majestic crown, wearing it will never frown. Pink like cotton candy sweet, a delicious treat that we all eat. Brown like earth beneath our feet, supporting us solid and neat. Colors, colors all around, brightening up the world we've found. Colors fill our hearts with cheer, bringing joy when they appear. Silver sparkles in the night, a moonlit glow, a magical sight. Gold shines with a radiant beam like a treasure. It's every child's dream.